I never considered that the cylinder, only after every single rock was turned over multiple times did I arrive at the conclusion. And I was fortunate enough to have a friend who is extremely experienced, and he was careful about saying what he thought, which is fair. And then he got a look at the cylinder, and he said, "You might be onto something." I mean, it's hard to believe that would be the cylinder. It's just hard to believe. Okay, so I didn't touch the brake, so that's still where it is. Now I need to get the cover washer and cover washer, clutch, bearing, sprocket. And I forgot about the gears. So forth. Now, on this one, this goes down. On most of them, it goes up, but on this one it goes down because it actually kind of fits on the outside there. Okay. And we had class, right? We took a look at this. I mean, most clutches are just, they're not up to speed there. And this is the one that is left is loose, right is, let's see, right is loose, left is tight. Yeah. Okay, now I gotta find the bearing. Oh, there it is. I think the camera was out of whack. So all I did was I showed you the washer Shirley and spun on the clutch. Now we don't have a worm gear in this that is under it, okay? So we're gonna whoops. Okay, so we're gonna put this on. Oops. Something made me go back and look. Now that's better. So that goes with the teeth against it. And this sets down close enough to where it rides on top of the sprocket. I gotta wash my hands.